this question. So some questions is very easily A, B, C, D, 4 options. So eliminating for those the questions we are selecting. So some questions will be completely solutions, we can solve it. So after the results, but here some problem, few problems is a very easy for elimination methods. So where is the option is the elimination. So by the way, first how to eliminating here, capital I is equals to integrating according to our question log of sin x to 1 dx plus cot x dx. So by the way, here UV method we can apply. Here is a limit. So how to eliminate? So UV method, this is a U completely, here U, here V. Integrating of these means first of all integrating of dx means x. So outside is x log sin x log sin x plus c. So is it correct or not? We can check it once again. So by the way, again minus derivative of this means derivative of log x means 1 by x, that means 1 by sin x into derivative of sin x means cos x. Cos x by sin x means cot x. Here is a minus cot x, again integrating of x means x cot x. Here minus integrating of x cot x plus integrating of x cot x, we got it cancel out. So only for x log x sin x. Here is not x square, here minus x square. So those who are selecting for these, there is no x square because of only v is a 1 into dx means nothing but integrating of 1 into dx means x. So that is x is a outside. So that means previous before, so that means x, here is a minus x. Those we are x square minus x square, we cancel out. So solution, that means capital I is equals to here integrating of means x log of sin x minus integrating of derivative of log x means 1 by sin x. So derivative of log x means 1 by x. Here is x is a sin x into derivative of sin x means cos x into integrating of dx means x dx. So that is equals to x log x. Here is a plus as it is integrating x cot x. You don't waste for the time. So because of x cot x as it is. So because of here is a minus plus, we cancel out. So x log of sin x minus x integrating cos x by sin x means cot x cot x dx plus integrating x cot x dx. You can cancel out plus minus only for here x log of sin x plus c. Answer A is the correct. So let us see one more problem. Integrating 2x square divided by 2x square plus alpha into x square plus 5 dx is equal to root 5 by 3 tan inverse x by root 5 minus root 2 by 3 tan inverse x by root 2 plus c. Then what is alpha? So how to solve? So completely solution will be solve it. So because of there is no eliminations, because of fixed number, so alpha will be find out. So how to find out for the alpha? That means both on differentiating both sides we get. So derivative integrating cancel out, only 2x square by 2x square plus alpha into x square plus 5 as this derivative integrating cancel. So that is equals to root 5 by 3 derivative of tan inverse x. D by dx of tan inverse x means 1 by 1 plus x square. So here is 1 by 1 plus x square means here x square by root 5. Root 5 whole square means nothing but only 5 into here is d by dx of means nothing but 1 by only root 5. This is the derivative of tan inverse x. 1 by 1 plus x square, x means x by root 5 into derivative of x by root 5 means derivative of x means 1, that means 1 by root 5 minus, as it is said here, root 2 by 3 into 1 by 1 plus x square by 2 into 1 by root 2. So derivative of the constant will be 0. Here root 5 cancel, root 2 cancels. So remaining term is, here is LCM 5 plus x square. The 5 is the denominator, goes to numerator. That means 1 by 3 into 5 by x square plus 5 minus 1 by 3. Here 2 is LCM, 2 plus x square. So 2 is the denominator, goes to numerator. That means 2 by x square plus 1. Okay, sorry. 2 plus x square, 2 by x square plus 2. Root 2 cancel out. So that means 1 by 3 is a common. Here 5 by x square plus 5 minus 2 by x square plus 2. So that is equals to 1 by 3. Okay, 1 by 3 LCM, that means multiply 5 into 2 means 10. Here is a plus 10, 5 into 2 minus 10, plus 10 minus 10 cancel out, remaining only 2 terms. What is the 2 terms? Here is a 5x square minus 2x square, that means 3x square. So here is 3x square divided by x square plus 5 into x square plus 2. So 3 cancel out, only x square by. So what is the left hand side? 2x square by 2x square plus alpha into x square plus 5. Here comparison x square as it is, x square plus 5, x square plus 5 means here is a 2x square plus alpha, numerator is a 2x square. So here is a multiplied by 2 and divided by, that means into 2 by 2. Here 2x square, numerator is same. So according to our question, what is alpha? Here 2 is a multiplied, 2 means multiplied. So here 2 multiplied, so that means 2x square plus 4. Only first term will be multiplied. So remaining those terms will be same. Only here is a 2 multiplied, 2x square plus 4. Here 2x square plus alpha. So what is that? Here alpha is equals to 4 is the answer. That is a D is a correct. So here best observation. That means numerator 2x square. Here is also only x square. 2 is a divide and multiply. So that means 2x square. Numerator will be comparison and the denominator will be comparison for the x square plus 5, x square plus 5 same. Only 2x square plus alpha. Here is x square plus alpha. Multiplied by 2 means 2x square plus 4 means 2x square. As they say, only alpha is equals to 4. D is the correct answer. Let's see one more problem. Integrating x square minus 1 by x to the power of 3 under root of 2x to the power of 4 minus 2x square plus 1 into dx. So A, B, C, D options. So those we are eliminating. So how to eliminate? Just to simplify the problem, that is a solution. Capital I is equals to integrating x square minus 1 divided by, here is x to the power of 4. Inside root 2 x to the power of 4 will be common only for x square. That means x to the power of 3 into x square under root of, here x to the power of 4 will be common. That means 2 minus 2 by x square plus 1 by x to the power of 4. Here is x to the power of 4 will be common. Root x to the power of 4 means nothing but x square. So square, again square root cancel, only for x square is outside. So x to the power of 5 here under root of 2 minus 2 by x square plus 1 by x to the power of 4. So option A, B, C, D. So D is the correct. But we can check out once again just only for 1 minute. So how to checking for? Here put 2 minus 2 by x square plus 1 by x to the power of 4 is equals to t. Now let us assume. So derivative of, here we can assume for this is a t, derivative 0. Here x power minus 2 means nx to the power of n minus 1. Here that means 4 by x power 3 because of minus 2 x to the power of minus 2. So nx to the power of minus 2 into minus 2, that means 4 by x cube. Here x to the power of minus 4 means nx to the power of n minus 1. So minus 4 minus 1 x to the power of minus 5. So that means minus 4 by x to the power of 5 is equals to dt by dx. So that means 4 is outside, 4 outside. So 1 by x to the power of 3, 1 by x to the power of 5. So LCM is x to the power of 5. Here x to the power of 5, x to the power of 3 means x square minus 1 into dx is equals to dt. So 4 is cancelled out, divided by 4. So that means x square minus 1 by x to the power of 5 into dx. So your problem is x square minus 1 x to the power of 5 into dx dt by 4 here. So integrating capital I is equals to, what is that? X square minus 1 x to the power of 5 into dx means dt by 4. Here dt by 4 divided by, here what is that? Root 2 t, because of here is a t, so that means under root t. So 1 by 4, I is equal to 1 by 4 outside, integration of 1 by under root of t into dt. So that is equals to I is equal to 1 by 4 integration of 1 by root t, 2 root t. So that means 2 into root t. What is the t? 2 minus 2 by x square plus 2 minus 2 by x square plus 1 by x to the power of 4. Here is a 2, 1, that means 1 by 2 under root of 2 minus 2 by x square plus 1 by x to the power of 4 is a plus c. Is a answer. So what is that? 1 by 2? D is a correct answer. So be careful once again. We can observe that according to our question, x square, x power 4 will be inside root 2. X to the power 4 will be common. That means x square. Here is x to the power 5. Base is equal power sign. X to the power 5. X square minus 1 by x to the power 5 under root of. This is we can assume for put t. So derivative of 4 by x cube. So here is also 4 by x to the power of 5 because of n x to the power of n minus 1 formula. So derivative dt by dx. Again 4 will be common. So LCM x square minus 1 by x to the power of 5 into dx. According to our question will be coming. So that means 4 is a denominators, dt by 4. I is equal to dt by 4 divided by, that means here is a root 2t. 1 by 4 is outside. There is no 1 by 2, 1 by 4, only for d outside. So again just a few minutes we can solve it. 1 by 4, 2 into integration of root t means 2 root t, 2 root t, t means this is, what is that? 2 minus 2 by x square plus 1 by x to the power of 4 under t. So that means 2 1 is 1 by 2 under root of 2 minus 2 by x square plus 1 by x to the power of 4 plus c is a D option is the correct. Remaining A, B, C will be cancelled out. So let us see one more problem. Integrating 0 to 3, 3x square minus 4x plus 2 dx is equal to k. Then the root of 3x square minus 4x plus 2 is equal to 3k by 5. So log the interval 0 to 3. So elimination there is no chance. So simplification just 1 minute, few minutes. So integrating 0 to 3. So integration of this part. Solution here integrating 3x means 3x to the power of 3 by 3 minus 4x square by 2 plus 2x from limits from 0 to 3 is equals to k. Substituting for the upper limit minus lower limit, 3 cancel, 3 power 3 that means 27 minus 2 cancel out, 3 square means 9 into 2 18 plus 2 into 3 6 is equals to k. So that means k is equals to 15. No need of we are asking for that k value. So interval answers. So k is equal to 15. Again substituting those values here. 3x square minus 4x plus 2 is equal to 3 into what is the k value? 15 by 5. So 3x square minus 4x plus 2 is equals to 9. So 5 3s are 15, that means 9. So again simplification, 3x square minus 4x minus 7 is equals to 0. So that means roots will be found out. So 3 7s are 21 means 3x square minus plus 3x minus 7 is equals to 0. Here is 3x square minus 4x minus 7. 3 7s are 21. So 3 7s are 21 plus 3 minus 7 means minus 4 as we said. So that means 3x is a common, that means x plus 1. So remaining term whatever it may be, so here is a 7, x plus 1 equal to 0. So 3x is equal to means 7, x is equal to 7 by 3 is a B is the correct answer. X plus 1 is equal to 0, x is equal to minus 1, x is equal to minus 1, this interval is not exist. So x not equal to minus 1 because of your interval, only for x is equal to 7 by 3 is the correct answer. B option is correct. Remaining A, C, D